Hi friends, welcome back to Wiggly Wiz Science, where we wiggle into the wonders of the world. Today, we're zipping into the world of busy bees. Bees live together in a big, busy home called a beehive. Inside, it's full of hexagon-shaped rooms made of wax, kind of like a honeycomb puzzle. Every bee has a special job to keep the hive running smoothly. In the very center of the hive lives the queen bee. She's the mom of the whole colony. Her job is to lay eggs, thousands and thousands of them, so the hive stays full of busy bees. Most of the bees you see buzzing around are worker bees. They're amazing helpers. They collect nectar from flowers, make honey, feed the baby bees, clean the hive, and even guard the entrance. There are also drone bees. Their main job is to help the queen make more bees. They don't gather food or make honey. They're here for one very special reason: to keep the bee family growing. When worker bees visit flowers for nectar, they also collect pollen on their bodies. As they move from flower to flower, they help plants grow and make seeds. This is called pollination. Without bees, many plants couldn't survive. So, in a beehive, the queen lays the eggs, the workers gather nectar and make honey, and the drones help grow the bee family. They all work together to keep their hive sweet and strong. This is Wiggly Wiz Science saying, stay curious, keep exploring, and wiggle on, friends!
Hey there, Wiggly Wiz crew! If you're having fun, and we know you do, please click like and subscribe. Join the science magic. Don't miss a single wiggly moment. Hit that bell, and let's explore together.